BBI report might not be the original format in which it was signed. This is what a member of the task force has said. We are quite shocked, but in some ways we are also not surprised because we have seen some decisions that actually don't favor certain parts of our country.
Na hii BBI ni BBI ambayo ilibadilishwa na ilifanya makasudi.
The president appointed Bishop Njenga. The president appointed Leshomo. The president appointed Matthew. And the president appointed a fourth person. We know that the deputy president appointed Seii, retired bishop. We know that he appointed Matundura, and we know that he appointed Agnes Mudhama. So if Seii can now come up and say that he did not sign what is in the report, we know who he is working for.
Ndio maana sisi wafugaji jinsi tumekutana na tumesema hatuwezi kusupport BBI. Na kukosa kusupport BBI si tumekosana na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, ama si tulikosana na Raila Odinga, ama si tulifuata vile watu wanasemanga asijui tanga ama Ruto. Hii ni mambo ya wafugaji.
For example, this place where we are, Ijara constituency, is a constituency that has 285,000 population. Surely, if there is any one of the constituencies in Kenya which should qualify for an extra seat, this is one of them.
BBI, the BBI team went round all the constituencies and all the counties for the last 2 years consulting. Everyone was giving their views. But you did not give your views to any of the BBI meetings. Now you have come to say you want consultation. We can't consult forever. Kenyans have given their views. We are ready to hit the ground. We are going with the people and to the people and for the people. That is what the BBI is about.